Alright, so this is a question that I've been getting a lot lately, and it's with the new Terrarium TV, the 1.9.5 version ad-free. People are saying that it doesn't allow them to select anything other than YesPlayer. I just want to show you a way around that, so if you want to continue to run that 1.9.5, you can do so. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you have MXPlayer Pro installed. And because you've got that installed, then you can view anything any way you would like. So what I'm showing you this on is an old tablet. This is a 4.2 Android tablet, just to let you know that you don't need to upgrade your box to the newest to have this running. I'm going to show you this running on an old tablet. So we'll go into Terrarium. It does take a little bit longer to load up on this old tablet, so this has got a 1 gigabyte RAM in it, so it's a little bit slower than some of the new stuff. So we're just going to go into the first item here on the list, which is Krypton. And we're going to go into Seasons. And we're going to go into the show. And I'm just going to show you here that it is going to ask for the YesPlayer. So I'm going to press play. It's going to search for my sources for us. Sorry about the shaking of the camera. I'm trying to do this one-handed here and play around with the tablet with the other hand and moving back and forth here. Alright, so we can see we've got a source here, so let's click on this one here. I always like to select the ones that say fast server. So if we click play, it's going to tell me I need the YesPlayer. YesPlayer is not installed. I'm going to hit cancel here. I'm going to select that source again and see down here where it says play with. I'm going to hit that play with, and it's going to open up and it's going to ask me which device I want to play it with. So now you can see I've got the option for the MXPlayer Pro. Why it doubles up like this, I have no idea, but you can hit either one of them and it will open up for you. So let's just see it play here now. So there we go. The show is now playing. So it's just like that. That's all you have to do. Just hit the play with option instead of the play option, and it will load up for you, no problem. Hopefully they get this fixed soon, as I don't like that it's forcing you to install YesPlayer, but it is what it is. We'll see how it goes going forward. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Alright everybody, thanks for watching, and again, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Also pop over to our Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram accounts and give us a like and a share over there. We appreciate everything you guys do for us, and we'll see you in the next video.